Hi, welcome to automation testing with Java programming language using Selenium WebDriver. So today we are going to discuss about two topics which are what is non-primitive data types and types of non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types can store more complicated information. It holds a reference of the data. It takes more memory. The size depend on the object structure. So these data types refer to objects, array and instance of classes. They don't directly hold the data, but instead they store reference to memory location where the actual data is stored. More complicated information means instead of just storing a single number, you could use a non-primitive data type to store a list of numbers, a sentence, or even a collection of different kind of data, that is name, age, or address. List of number, like if you want to print roll number of 100 user, so you can use non-primitive data types. Some common non-primitive data types are list, array, and objects. These allow you to work with more than just a single piece of data at a time. Types of non-primitive data type: array, string, classes, and object. We will discuss one by one. So first is array. An array is a collection of elements, all of the same type. Array are often declared with square brackets in most of the languages. They allow you to create multiple values of the same type in a single variable. The array size is fixed once it is created and its index started from 0. That means, let's take an example. This is a syntax of array. We have taken one data type, that is string. This square bracket is used to declare array. So fruit is a array name. Value 1 means apple. Apple index start from 0. Grapes value number 2. Its index start from 1, and so on. Indexing means array element are assessed using zero based indexing. So number 0 assesses the first element in the array. Let's take one real-time example of array. I am taking one example for string array. String is a data type. Square bracket represent array. Fruit is a array name. Now I am taking the value for array. Mango is on index 0. Grapes is on index 1. And apple is on index 2. Now I'm going to print the value. For that, system.out.println. Here is the fruit. Name on index 0. That is, mango should get printed. For that, we are taking array name. On bracket, we are taking index 0 that represent mango as a output. Save the program and run as Java application. See, mango got printed. If we are taking one index, then grapes should get printed. For index 1, grapes should get printed. This is the example of string array. Next is string data type. String is a sequence of characters. Example, hello world. If you want to add any sentence, name, or use alphabet, special characters, alphanumeric values, we can use string as data type. This is a syntax for string, where string is a data type, variable name is equals to value. Let's take an example how to print string value. string as data type, address as variable name. Now we are taking value for address. To print the value of string, we use system.out.println. Here you can take, here is the address of, copy the variable name and paste here. String data type program got printed. Here is the address. In string we can add all type of character, that can be alphabet, alphanumeric value, special characters, anything. Next topic is classes and objects. A class is a template for creating object. It defines the property and behavior that object can have. Let's take an example of a car. The property for the car is brand, color, and speed. We will understand classes by a program. Firstly, we'll discuss about object. Then we collaboratively using object and class in one program. So object is an instance of a class. It is created using the new keyword and it represents a real world entity with specific value for the properties defined in the class. Let's take an example for classes and object. Here I have created one main class using a main method where I will call the object for display the properties of other class. Here I am taking one more class. Class name is my car. Here data type variable name, that is property of car. Car color, it can be any color. I am taking blue color. Int car gear is equals to 5 as a value. String car name is equals to Mercedes. Now in main method I am calling properties of my car class by creating object of my car class. For that, my car is a class name, car is a object name, is equals to new as a keyword and class name. Now we are going to print all the values. System.out.println object name, that is car, dot variable, that is car color. It is a property of a class. We are calling all three properties here, that is car color, car gear and car name. Car dot car name. Now save the program and run as Java application. Here is the output for class and object program. We have created object for calling the property of my car class that's seen in console window. We can also break print line by using /n in the double quotes. Here you can see the result for the same.